Hi, my name is Kyle Dillman, and I'm an engineer in the Structural Engineering and Evaluation Group here at CTL Group. I specialize in all forms of low-slope roofing, including EPDM, TPO, PVC, and modified bitumen. Whatever the type of low-slope roofing system you have, I have the expertise to evaluate, design, and repair roofing systems that will stand the test of time. Understanding how and why damage occurs is crucial for effective repairs and prevention. I focus on evaluating the extent and causation of apparent damages to structures, particularly the building envelope. My background in mechanical engineering gives me a unique advantage in whole building moisture management. I utilize my experience and expertise to ensure that the building envelope and mechanical systems work together effectively to manage moisture. Everybody dreads seeing that first sign of water in their property, but we're here to help put you at ease, address the source of the water, and restore your property. I focus on diagnosing these issues and designing cost-effective and long-lasting repairs. I assist clients with facility management, reserve studies, and 5- and 10-year capital planning for roofs, walls, and hardscape assets. This ensures they have a clear roadmap to maintain their facility's performance and integrity over time. Thank you for watching. If you would like to learn more about our testing or consulting services, please visit ctlgroup.com.